We already had a lot of customers traveling from here to our Niles location. So we already had a customer base in the area, but it's good to get a footing and build up even more. So we decided to move into leasing this space, having it renovated and opening to get a foothold in the area and continue to look for that other property that we've always wanted for the complex. Mike had met us here before the space had even been cleaned out because this was being utilized as storage. So there was a mass of stuff in here from the door all the way to the back. And they looked at the overall logistical obstacles that the space presented. And then I was just asked for basically a simple sketch of a floor layout, which I provided them. And then they pretty much took it from there.
So we kind of found a place that we could lay out his drawing, and we reviewed his plan. We came to an agreement, and through Terra Architects, our in-house architects, we came up with a floor plan that I presented to Scott and Jennifer. Made a few modifications as he mentioned, and then the project was started. I
don't know a lot about building and wall thicknesses and the materials, the preferred material to use, especially going into the fact that we were in a lumber shortage and lumber was getting so expensive. So that's why you need a professional like Pearson. I wanted somebody that was going to be knowledgeable and a respected name in the area that I could just give it to them and let them do it, and I didn't have to worry about anything, and Pearson was the one for that.
We have a very good rapport with all of the local jurisdictions. We can call the building inspectors from any of the local areas and be able to sit down and meet with them and talk through our process with them. I like to show them the projects before we even start, tell them what we're going to do, and see if there's any big hurdles that we're going to be coming up against before we even sign a contract.
I could stop by and talk to them anytime I wanted. Sometimes they called and said, hey, why don't you drop by if you have a chance to make sure this is correct. They were extremely helpful in making any minor changes. It's a fabulous space. It's exactly what we wanted. Aesthetically, we were trying to include elements that I had came up with previously at our other shop, and they mimic that all perfectly. So we have current customers that walk in the door and say, wow, this looks just like Niles, which it doesn't. I mean, this is so much nicer in my opinion. We just wanted to kind of create this, I don't know, kind of just a warm, inviting atmosphere. And I think that together with Pearson, I think we nailed it.